Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Velvet Luxury Bath and Body Care gift set, a 5-piece 100% vegan hamper, perfect for women, men, or couples, ideal for birthdays, Valentine's Day anniversaries, or any special occasion. It's packed with a body wash, body lotion, soap, bath salt, and body oil, all crafted to deliver a luxurious spa experience with a soothing floral scent. Let's dive in and see if it's as indulgent as it sounds. First up, the packaging. It's stunning. It arrived in a sleek gift box with a satin ribbon. For similar sets on Amazon, it's gift ready, and I agree, no wrapping needed. Starting with the body wash, 200 ml, I poured it onto a loofah, and it lathered into a creamy foam. The floral fragrance is uplifting and spa-like. It's vegan and paraben-free per standard luxury sets. My skin felt clean and soft, similar to Kimarika's quality per web reviews. Next, the body lotion, 200 ml. It's lightweight and non-greasy. I applied it post-shower and it sank in fast. Enriched with nourishing ingredients, my skin stayed hydrated and smelled amazing for hours. Amazon users of similar sets love this effect. The soap, 100 grams, is handcrafted and gentle. I used it and it left my skin smooth, not tight. The scent lingers subtly. A total treat. The bath salt, 100 grams. I sprinkled it in my tub and it turned my bath into a fragrant oasis. Perfect for relaxation. Some note small quantities in similar sets, but it's enough for a few uses. Finally, the body oil, 100 ml. I massaged it in and it's luxurious. Leaves skin glowing without stickiness. Per web standards, it's a spa staple. This set's cruelty-free and travel-friendly. Not budget, but worth it for the quality. Ideal for gifting or self-care. Some reviews of similar sets mention fragile packaging, so handle gently. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment.